Assalamu alaikum class 6. I hope you all are fine. Today is your English literature class and we are going to start a new poem, Mother to Son. The poem Mother to Son is written by Langston Hughes. First of all, let me give you some details and information about the poet Langston Hughes, who has written the poem Mother to Son. Hughes was an American novelist, playwright and story writer, and he has also written for the newspaper and columns. The poem was written in 1922 and the poet was a great writer, and he had also written a number of poems and stories that were adorable. Chosen a very different topic to write his poem Mother to Son. Mother to Son is a very great poem. I hope you will be enjoying this poem Mother to Son. Mother to Son is a poem in which a speaker is addressing to her son. Means Mother to Son आपकी एक वो पोएम है जिसमें जो स्पीकर हैं, जो बोल रहा है, वो एक मदर हैं जो कि अपने बेटे को मुखातिब कर रही हैं, उसको एड्रेस कर रही हैं और उसको ज़िंदगी का एक लेसन दे रही हैं. Actually she is showing that how she has spent her whole life in the problems and difficulties. That's why she is giving a lesson to her son about the problems and difficulties of life. As you can see in the picture, the mother is addressing to her son. She is telling her son about the problems, trouble and difficulties of the life, what she had spent in her life. So, let's start our poem. I'm going to read a line by line, so you have to be connected with me. Well, son, I will tell you, life for me and been no crystal stair. Now the mother is saying that, well, son, I will tell you, अच्छा बेटा मैं आपको बताऊंगी, life for me and be no crystal stair. As she saying that life for me has not been like a crystal stair and easy. Means mother अपने बेटे से कह रही हैं कि ज़िंदगी मेरे लिए भी किसी शफाफ सीढ़ी की तरह नहीं रही. Just like I also have spent my life in the problems and difficulties. She is trying to say that I have not spent my life easily. I also have seen a lot of troubles and difficulties in my life. It's had taps in it and splinters and boards torn out. Actually, she is comparing her life to a flight of worn down, dimly lit stairs. That she has seen ups and down in her life. Means उन्होंने अपनी ज़िंदगी में बहुत से उतार चढ़ाव देखे हैं, प्रॉब्लम्स देखी हैं, डिफ़िकल्टीज़ देखी हैं. That's why she is comparing her life to a flight of worn down, dimly lit stairs. She is saying that life has not been easy for me, as I also have seen a lot of difficulties in the life. मीन्स वो अपने बेटे को बता रही हैं कि मैंने भी अपनी लाइफ में बहुत सी प्रॉब्लम्स और डिफ़िकल्टीज़ देखी हैं, मेरे लिए भी मेरी लाइफ जो है आसान नहीं रही है. and places with no carpet on the floor bare. She says that she encounters cracks, splinters, holes, bare boards and patches of darkness on the stairs. Means she is saying that when she was spending her life, so she also had seen a lot of troubles like splinters, difficulties like holes, and troubles like patches of darkness. So जस्ट लाइक आप स्टेयर्स देखते हैं, सीढ़ियाँ देखते हैं, उसमें स्टेप्स होते हैं, अप्स एंड डाउन्स होते हैं. तो सिमिलरली द मदर इज़ ऑल्सो टेलिंग दैट शी ऑल्सो हैज़ सीन अप्स एंड डाउन इन हर लाइफ. मीन्स उन्होंने भी ज़िंदगी में बहुत से उतार चढ़ाव देखे हैं, बहुत सी प्रॉब्लम्स और डिफ़िकल्टीज़ देखी हैं. उनके लिए भी उनकी लाइफ ईजी नहीं रही है, आसान नहीं रही है. Experience with her son, she is encouraging him to never give up. Actually, she is advising her son, if he faces any difficulty and problem in his life, so he should not give up. मदर अपने बेटे को मुखातिब होकर कह रही हैं, मीन्स अगर आप अपनी लाइफ में कोई भी प्रॉब्लम्स और डिफ़िकल्टीज़ देखते हैं तो आपको गिव अप नहीं करना है. एज वी विल रीड दिस लाइन एंड वी विल एक्सप्लेन दिस लाइन इन द फर्दर स्टैंजा. सो स्टूडेंट्स, नाउ लेट मी एक्सप्लेन यू डिफ़िकल्ट वर्ड्स. वेल सन, आई विल टेल यू, life for me and being no crystal stair. And is a short form of am not. And is a contraction of am not. Just like आप am not लिखते हैं तो उसी की शॉर्ट फॉर्म है and. जैसे आप do not की शॉर्ट फॉर्म लिखते हैं don't, does not की शॉर्ट फॉर्म लिखते हैं doesn't. So similarly, and is a contraction and short form of am not. Is a high quality clear and colorless glass. Means crystal आपका एक colorless and clear glass है. The meaning of tax is short nails with a flat head. मीन्स ये एक ऐसा इंस्ट्रूमेंट है, टूल है, जो कि आपका कारपेट को होल्ड करने के लिए यूज़ किया जाता है. एंड सिमिलरली स्प्लिंटर्स मीनिंग इज शार्प स्लेंडर पीसेस ऑफ वुड ब्रोकन ऑफ फ्रॉम द मेन बॉडी. मीन्स आपके स्प्लिंटर्स होते हैं जस्ट लाइक जो लकड़ी होती है, टूटी हुई लकड़ी होती है, उसके किनारे जो निकल जाते हैं फिर वो नोकीले और नोकदार बन जाते हैं, तो वो स्प्लिंटर्स होते हैं. एक्सप्लेन यू द मीनिंग्स ऑफ द डिफ़िकल्ट वर्ड्स. नाउ आई एम गोइंग टू एक्सप्लेन यू दिस स्टैंजा अगेन. वेल सन, आई विल टेल यू, लाइफ फॉर मी एंड बी नो क्रिस्टल स्टेयर. नाउ मदर इज एड्रेसिंग टू हर सन दैट लाइफ हैज़ नॉट बीन ईजी फॉर मी. I also have seen a lot of trouble and difficulties in my life. It had tacks in it and splinters. Now she is saying that I also have been in the trouble and life was not easy for me. She is sharing her experience and encouraging her son not to give up. And places with no carpet on the floor bare. She is saying that my life has not been a soft carpet. I also have seen a lot of troubles and difficulties in my life. So students, That was the description and explanation of first stanza, and we will be continuing our further poem in the next lecture. So till that friends, thank you very much indeed. Allah Hafiz. Take care. Inshallah we will be completing this poem in the next lecture. So till that, thank you. God bless you.